Hey, what's up? This is K for After Effects tutorial channel, and welcome to my another After Effects tutorial how to make a universal and true motion graphics. Let's start. Go to After Effects, create a new composition. Right here, universal, enter. Fit your comp and create a new text. Right here, universal. Turn off the caps lock and select. Go to text. Change this one to 0. And then select again, select the bold mode font and create another new solid right here, element 3D, and go to effects, video copilot, select element 3D and go to custom layers, custom text and mask, select universal, and then select the element 3D and go to scene setup, press extrude in element 3D. There is extrude. Need more little bit bold text. Okay, go to bevel, physical, double click. Need little bit edit. Select the bevel 1. This is the front. Go to materials, physical, apply the plastic white and select the chrome here and select the bevel 3. Select the plastic one. Great. Go to environment, change the environmental reflection, backlights 2K, select a different environment reflection, press OK. Okay, select your font and select a bold font like this, and now create a new camera. Select 24 millimeters and select the select element 3D and go to render setting, lighting, select 360. Change the title reflection to cold color, not a hot color. Select this one, double click, press OK, and go to additional lighting, rotation. Good. Okay, now time to go to group 1 and particle look, deform, bend. Enable the bend. Change this one to 90 and change this one to 90 and turn on the center. Go to original. Okay, change the size down and rotate, Ctrl Z. Go to particle replicator rotation, rotate from here. Yeah, looking perfect. And now time to create another new solid right here, earth map. Change to map and go to project, double click, Select the earth map, select these, deselect the 2K one, and put down all the layers. Select the earth map and go to effects, go to video copilot, VC orbs, and now go to maps, deface layer, EM earth map, and the glossiness night map. Let's select this one to night map, and the bump, select the normal map. Okay, let's check from here. Change the color of map to atmosphere color, like this one, atmosphere color, and there is illumination color. Change this one to blue, and there is advanced option about fader, and the most important options, close the maps here, glossiness, specular, reflection, illumination option, Fresnel, bias, and the lights, the backlights, a little bit dark, and the ambient. Change the illumination and the Fresnel and the bias, make it like this. Need more illumination. There's looking like an atmosphere. Okay, go to edge fader, turn off the unit only, make a little bit fader, and shrink. Okay, looking good. The deface map need more brighter, need more light, like the light control of the earth map is belong to specular, and move the earth map behind of element 3D. And now time to import the background. Here is the background, looking nice background, and right here curves, double click, a little bit darker, and create another new solid, black solid. Right here the sunlight, enter and go to effects, universe stylize, no light factory. Select a different light, diagon, and change the mode to add, and move here. And now let's animate. Select the earth map, a little bit bigger, and move the sunlight effect to here, and select the camera, zoom out the camera from here. So now let's animate from the start, from second one. Select the element 3D, rotate your text. Start from here at this point, stopwatch, go to second 2 and move here, go to second 3, press Ctrl, slowly move to center of the earth, come back and select the earth map and stopwatch rotation Y and go to second 2, move the earth at this area and go to second 3, little bit move, play now. Okay, now time to animate the light. Select the sunlight and change the scale to 0, stopwatch and stopwatch light location. Go to second 2, move the light here, play, go to second 3, make it 1 and slowly move here and select the element 3D, apply the glow effect, double click, change the intensity glow 0.5, and select the background, press S, scale up the size, let's scale down, scale down the size. And now time to animate the camera. Press P position or rotation, stopwatch, go to second 1 and move the camera to front, play now, okay guys, thank you for watching. Here is the universal animation in 4 seconds. The sunlight, you can check it to streaks and check on other samples of the lights. Here it is. Thank you for watching. See you next time.